Three stocks to watch in September 2024. Number 1, Starbucks. Starbucks stock jumped 25% last month after the company sacked their CEO and appointed Brian Niccol from Chipotle Mexican Grill. Niccol was given a multi-million-dollar pay deal and starts work on the 9th of September. There's no doubt that Brian Niccol has done a wonderful job at Chipotle, taking the company to a valuation over $70 billion, but the challenge at Starbucks will be much bigger. The coffee chain is facing increasing competition from the likes of Dutch Bros in the US and Luckin Coffee in China. In the most recent quarter, same-store sales in the US were down 2%, while in China sales fell 14%. Luckin Coffee, which only emerged from bankruptcy just 2 years ago, now has twice the number of stores in China as Starbucks and is growing faster. Starbucks' brand has really deteriorated in recent years from a focus on price over experience, and a bloated balance sheet containing $16 billion of debt will also put off investors. I expect the recent rally in Starbucks to eventually fade as investors realize how much work there is left to be done. Number 2, Eurocell plc, ticker symbol ECEL. Eurocell plc recycles, manufactures and distributes plastics that are used mainly in windows and doors. This is a small company from the UK with a valuation of just £155 million. Sales at Eurocell are under pressure right now from a slowdown in the UK housing market, but Eurocell still managed to produce $44 million of free cash flow over the last 12 months. That puts the current valuation at under 4 times free cash flow. The company should report earnings on the 4th of September, which will provide some insight into current conditions. To be honest, I don't expect Eurocell earnings will be spectacular. This is more of a long-term investment based on future lower interest rates and a rebound in housing. The new Labour government is hoping to build 1.5 million new homes, and that should help support Eurocell's recovery. If Eurocell does fall on earnings next week, that should be a great opportunity to buy the dip. Number 3, Upwork, ticker symbol UPWK. Freelancing company Upwork isn't scheduled to report in September, however the stock is beginning to look interesting at the current valuation. The company has reported $73 million of free cash flow over the past 12 months, which means the company is valued at just over 16 times free cash flow. However, half of that free cash flow was reported in the last quarter, meaning Upwork's valuation will come down dramatically if it manages to repeat that kind of performance. Upwork should be a beneficiary of secular trends in online work, and web traffic to the site appears surprisingly strong, according to third-party tool SEMrush. This business isn't perfect. Many freelancers claim they dislike the platform, but there's an opportunity for Upwork to improve its service, produce more cash, and thereby improve the return to shareholders. So those are 3 stocks to watch in the month of September, and I hold shares in Eurocell and Upwork. But these are my personal opinions, not financial advice. For more investing videos, make sure to join my newsletter at 3minutebreakdowns.com. Thank you for watching.